In this video, we'll demonstrate how to easily and permanently delete your Facebook account. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. If you are thinking about saying goodbye to Facebook, it's a pretty big step, so let's make sure you do it right. Here's a friendly guide to getting you started. First things first, you need to log into your account for this. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, look for the menu at the top. Click on the gear icon within the menu to access your settings and privacy options. Now, within this menu, find something called the Account Center. Then, scroll down a bit and click on See More within the Account Center. Here, you'll encounter a bunch of options, and click on Personal Details. Tap into that, and that'll lead you to Account Ownership and Control. If you click on it, you will see the option Deactivation or Deletion. Click on it too. As we progress through each step, I encourage you to join our channel as a member to support our content creation journey. Your support is what allows us to bring you high-quality videos like this one. In the next step, just select the Facebook account you're ready to part ways with. Once you've got your account all sorted out, you'll see this option that says Delete Account. Go ahead and give that a click to move forward. Now click on Continue, and you'll see a bunch of options. Just take your pick from the list and hit Continue again. At this point, Facebook's going to ask for your password just to make sure it's really you. Type it in, and then tap Continue to keep things rolling. Finally, you'll land on the Confirm Permanent Account Deletion stage. Here, you're going to confirm that you're absolutely sure about wiping out your Facebook account for good. Go ahead and hit that Delete Account button. Once you've gone through these steps, your Facebook account will basically vanish from the platform. Your profile, your name, all your pics and videos, and everything you've posted will be hidden for about 30 days. During that time, if you change your mind, you can bring it all back by just logging in. But after those 30 days are up, your account will be gone completely. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.